police along that to ensure smooth convoy, as well as Sergeant Jen Bauer and team for police support. And also a big shout out and thank you to all our 9 provincial governments standing behind each of our beautiful queens. Taking this time to also thank the Big Better Paradise PNG sponsors, namely KPMG, TUNIS, NS Beauty Box, Digicel, Colgate, House of Gemini, Wisdom Travel Agency, Next Gen, Maya, the Department of Community Development and the Department for Information Communication and Technology. Thank you.